and the prosecution gearing up for the trial against 2 officers.
With the murder trial just months away, we're learning more tonight about what the state does not think a jury should be allowed to hear from the attorneys defending former officers Keith Sandy and Dominique Perez. News 13's Lizzie Mitri has the court documents. Lizzie.
Jessica, some of the evidence in question here include audio recordings of what the 2 officers first told an APD detective investigating the shooting of James Boyd.
Do it. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
2 years after homeless camper James Boyd was shot to death and 2 months before former Albuquerque police officers Keith Sandy and Dominique Perez are tried for murder for pulling the trigger.
Still got the knives in his hand? Got the knives in his hand.
The special prosecutor has filed 65 pages of paperwork detailing what evidence the jury should and should not hear, including what the men told an investigator days after the shooting.
I felt that I had no other choice than to use deadly force. I did not think that that suspect was going to stop.
While the prosecution plans to play part of Sandy's police interview,
I was in fear for myself.
They don't believe the defense can do the same, saying if the defense wishes to have their clients' stories heard, they may put their clients on the stand. That would, of course, allow the state to question them too during cross-examination. The prosecution also wants to block other APD officers who testify from weighing in on questions that the jury is ultimately supposed to answer, like were the men acting in self-defense? Was it justified? Would another officer have shot Boyd under similar circumstances? The state writes a police officer who's charged with murder is not entitled to a jury of police officers. It's a jury of ordinary citizens.
These issues will be raised in a hearing in 2.5 weeks. The murder trial is set to begin on September 19th. Jessica, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Lizzie. We reached out to the defense attorneys this evening. They did not comment.